Is there a better way to iterate over two lists, getting one element from each list for each iteration? I have a list of latitudes and one of longitudes and need to iterate over the latitude and longitude pairs. Is it better to A. Assume that the lists are of equal lengths, B. Or note that B is incorrect. This gives me all the pairs, equivalent to iter_tools.product. Any thoughts on the relative merits of each, or which is more Pythonic?
This is as Pythonic as you can get.
Iterating through elements of two lists simultaneously is known as zipping, and Python provides a built-in function for it, which is documented here. Example is taken from PyDocs. In your case, it will be simply
Good to see lots of love for zip in the answers here. However, it should be noted that if you are using a Python version before 3.0, the iter_tools module in the standard library contains an zip function which returns an iterable, which is more appropriate in this case, especially if your list of lat/longs is quite long. In Python 3 and later, zip behaves like a zip.
Another way to do this would be by using map. One difference in using map compared to zip is, with zip the length of new list is same as the length of shortest list. For example, using map on same data.
Isn't it lucky and sorry?